Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for clicking on today's video. So I'm going to be doing a fall Zara haul. I know that I've already featured a lot of these items on my previous fall haul video, but I picked up a few more Zara pieces that I thought I would still share with you guys if you were curious at all and still wanted to see it. Zara just hits, what do they say? What's the saying? Like, hits the nail on the head, or hits the head on the nail, or hits the nail on the head. But Zara always knows how to do fall clothing really well. I love the silhouettes of all the clothes. The shades of their colors of clothing is just like so luxurious. This haul is going to be really short just because I've shared with you guys so many of these pieces on my previous haul videos. Sorry, I apologize in advance for the redundancy for many of you guys, but I still thought I would share them with you if you were curious at all, or if you just kind of wanted to get more inspiration. I typically stay away from knitted dresses because of my chest. I don't like how the knit just like stretch, like the ribbed fabric. I don't like how it looks with like my chest all the time, and it shows off the bulges in my stomach. Ugh, it's just like not the most flattering thing. So this right here is the most flattering knitted dress I think I've ever found. It's got ruching on the sides, which is a plus for us who are just a little bit more, conscious of our stomachs. And then it's just got a longer lined sleeve, which is great for these arms, just to like make sure that it looks like very like fitted. And I just love the silhouette of this dress. The color is this gorgeous chocolate brown. I'm so excited to pair them with a pair of boots, even with white sneakers. That looks really cute. White sneakers and a patchwork denim jean jacket, or just something along the lines of that. Black blazer, black leather blazer, fantastic. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend this dress. The next piece are the trousers that I'm wearing right now. So obviously I'm wearing them. I'm not going to show them up to you guys, but these ones right over here, these ones are a beautiful tan trouser. I feel like workwear or oversized menswear or whatever you want to call it, but just like work wear, and like blazers and trousers, like those types of vests, like those types of things are really coming back for this fall season, specifically in these really fall tones, these fall kind of earthy tones. And so these ones are in a beautiful light material. They're super breathable, and I need to get mine tailored. They're a little bit long, but I mean, I'm not really going anywhere, but it's just nice to have these items in my closet, I guess. So I really like these trousers. They fit really well around my waist. The dress I got in a size medium. The trousers I got in a size small because I wanted it to fit my waist really well. I didn't want them to be too long. I knew if I got a medium, I've experienced this in the past with Zara pants. If I got a medium, it would have been too big on my waist. My waist is around in inches is like 28 to 29. Now, those are the new items. Now moving on to items that I've already shared with you guys, but I still thought I'd share again, are the cropped cardigans here. Styling them a little bit differently for you guys in these videos just to keep giving you guys inspo for this fall and winter season. The cropped cardigan is super cute. I have one in gray and I have one in a gorgeous little heathered tan color. So for me, I really want to wear these right now. I wish it was hot and I wish it was cold enough to just wear these now, but the weather in LA is like very hot right now. It is, let's see it's 86 degrees right now in LA, and that's really hot. It's really hot. I don't even know why I'm wearing this, but I just thought it looked cute with my outfit. The bodysuit's also Zara. I thought I'd wear it on its own today. I normally would. I know I'm revealing a lot of skin. You don't normally see me like this, but I thought I would just wear it like this today because I thought it was cute with this oversized kind of cozy cardigan. This one's from Misguided, but the Zara bodysuit I thought was really cute to just, I don't know. I just like the look of that. Like you could even button up just the top button like that. It's a little bit more modest. Obviously, you still have like a little bit cleavage area, but it's a little bit modest if you like that look, but you want to just keep it closed. So the next thing that I got is this mini skirt from Zara. This mini skirt, I feel like I see everyone wearing it recently. It's so good. It's so cute. It's got a nice high thigh slit and it really hugs the waist very well. Wherever the pleats are on this, yeah, the darts here, they did such a good job. They got the darting really nice in the back, and just the lines are so good. It is definitely a shorter one, so keep that in mind, but I feel like that'll look really good under all my oversized shirts or anything that's a little bit like I need that shorts look, that something underneath, like not completely going bare, you know, just underwear, but having that skirt will give me a little bit more sense of security. I think you guys know what I'm talking about. And then the biggest purchase that I made from Zara for this season is probably this leather jacket here. Again, I know I'm showing this to you guys twice on my page, but I still thought that for those of you who are just clicking on this video and you've never seen me before, I thought I would still share this one with you. I love this leather blazer so much. I think it's so cool, and it has a nice oversized look. If I wanted it to be more fitted to me, I probably would have gotten a size small, but I really like that oversized look. That's what I was going for because I wanted to wear it with something underneath it. And I also noticed like every girl that I was looking for inspo for a leather shirt with all wore it really oversized, you know, like Bella Hadid and Kendall Jenner and Hailey Baldwin. They all wear it really oversized. I'm planning on pairing a hoodie underneath this in the fall and then just wearing a pair of thigh-high boots or something with biker shorts. I think that would be really cute with the blazer on top. I also got these jeans that you're seeing here on the screen. These jeans are super comfy. They're so flattering. I haven't decided whether or not I want to cut them yet. I know I just don't know if I like the cuffed look or if I want to cut them completely, and I didn't know if I wanted to cut them and then wear a pair of heels, and then I've got like a weird leg situation, so I don't exactly know when and how I'm gonna cut them, but I will cut them. Those are all the pieces that I have to show you guys today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it's a little bit shorter of a haul and you've seen a few of the same pieces, but I hope you don't mind. Don't forget to come follow me on TikTok and Instagram and all these other places to see more of me. I hope you enjoyed today's video, like I said, like for the 50th time, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Bye!